Alright, welcome back, collectors. Here we are with another box. This time it's the Hot Wheels K box. Mainline cases for 2020. And we're going to open these up and see what we've got. This box came from A&J Toys. So you're more than welcome to go to A&J Toys and pick up your own, especially if you see a bunch of stuff in here that you like. Keeps you from having to go out in the stores. Alright. First three, we've got the BMW Z4, the Lamborghini 16 Lamborghini Centenario Roadster, and then the Batcopter, which is new for this case for sure. And we got the 2018 Ford Mustang GT and two examples of the Beat All. There's another Ford Mustang GT, the Jaguar XE SV Project 8, and then the 16 Lamborghini Centenario Roadster again. Here's the 86 Monte Carlo SS in green, another BMW, and then the HW450F, this time in a white and black. '68 Shelby GT500, 49 Ford F1. This is new to the case in orange, it's a recolor. And then the Honda Civic Type R, which is awesome in that livery. Here we have the custom 56 Ford truck. This is our regular treasure hunt. You guys can see the logo that's on the front right there on the top. And keep it in the light. The 57 Chevy in pink. This would be the super treasure hunt if you find it in the case. And then the Nissan 300ZX twin turbo in police. This is new to the case as well. There's a crock rod that was in the last case, 90 Acura NSX, which was in the last case, and then the Velocita, which was also in the last case. There's another Honda Civic Type R, 57 Plymouth Fury in flames from the last case, and there's another crock rod. Night Dragon, which is new to this case, if anyone cares. 98 Honda Prelude, and the Humvee. Here's the Audi RS5 Coupe, Lamborghini Sesto Elemento, and the 20G Gladiator. Another Velocita, another Shelby GT500, and the Porsche 911 GT3 RS. Here's another Porsche 911 GT3 RS, another Honda Prelude, and the Lamborghini Sesto Elemento. Check out the second half. We have the 69 Dodge Charger 500 in purple with flames. That's new to this case. 64 Nova Wagon Gasser. We had that in the last case. And new to this case, the 19 Mercedes-Benz A-Class. Continuing on. Here's two of the custom 01 Acura Integra GSRs. And then the 71 Charger, which is new to this case. Here's the Big Air Bel Air, which is a new model and new to this case. 56 Chevy, looks good. 64 Wagon Gasser, 57 Plymouth Fury, Toyota 2000 GT, which is one of my favorites. Big highlight, Manga Tuner, and then the Datsun 620. There's a couple bone shakers, and then the 2019 Audi R8 Spider, which is a new model and new to this case. Looks really good. Here's another Audi Spider. Here's the 2010 Toyota Tundra, just new to this case. And then the Too Tough. We have the Circle Tracker, new to this case, recolored in red, Eric & Stein rod, and then the custom Cadillac Fleetwood, recolored in blue, new to this case. We get the Velociracer, which is new. The Formula E Gen 2 car in purple, that's new to this case. And then there's another Big Air Bel Air. '69 Camaro. There's a Roger Dodger 2.0 and a Shelby Cobra 427 SC. All of these are new to this case. Also new to the case, Range Rover Velar and two of the Grand Cross from the race team. Here's the Electro Silhouette and two of the Custom Auto, which is pretty cool. And lastly, we have another Manga Tuner, the Velociracer, and La Fasta. And that's it. So there's quite a few highlights from this case, some held over from the last case. Like the Eric & Stein rod was a good one from last case, which was still in this case. Big for me, Toyota 2000 GT, but that's in this case. If you get to find one of these, then you'll have yourself the super treasure hunt. If you don't, then you'll get this regular looking one, which is fine. A couple trucks, including the regular treasure hunt, are good buys. Nissan 300ZX, a couple Dodge Chargers are good. The Audi is a winner. Gasser, always a winner. You get another Prelude in the case. It's a recolor of the Audi, which looks good. People like the Manga Tuner. It's nice to see the Shelby Cobra make it back into the Mainline, as well as the '69 Camaro. And a lot of you folks are going to like the Monte Carlo. So if you want to get yourself a K case and get yourself some of these, A&J Toys is a good bet to go get your case. Go ahead and subscribe. You'll see me open all of these as we go through all of the 2020 Mainlines. Until next time, see you later.